Hello everybody, this is the 28th of February 2025, last day of February, and tomorrow we have spring, hopefully. So this morning I went up to my garden with a SUET log, hoping to get a woodpecker, hopefully, but we're going to find out in a few minutes. I'll show you where I put it and then we will, you can hear the birds, we will see if that got any. It's lovely, isn't it? Look at this Japanese maple. Okay, right, so all the peanuts have gone, and this is where my camera was. And I can see in the tree there, if I can find it, there's something there. That looks like a robin to me. Could be wrong. I think it is a robin. Yeah, it's a robin redbreast in the tree, making a lovely voice. Yeah, lovely. Okay, right, and carry on now and show you. This is the SUET log I was telling you about. Hopefully I've had some kind of capture from my camera there, which looks like it's been, no it doesn't even, I thought it moved for a second. Well, there's my camera, so let's hope that I've had some kind of success. Alright, can I now try, and I'll see you in that video. Bye bye for now.